Hi there, my name is Lauren Niels and I'm a customer engagement manager here at Marin Software. I'm going to take you through a few of the different ways that you can utilize Marin to take your LinkedIn campaigns to the next level. So the first thing most marketers do in a day is try to understand the big picture, how are my accounts performing, what needs my attention, etc. And our dashboards are a great place to come and get that information. So you get a snapshot of performance for all your different publishers and channels rolled up every day. Before you dive into the specific campaigns, you can come here and kind of see where your focus needs to be for the day. Another thing that's really cool about these dashboards is that they're fully customizable. So you can build out all of these different grids and charts and data visualizations within Marin and add them to your dashboard in whatever way makes the most sense for your business. You can also share the links to these dashboards out to anyone in your company, regardless of if they're a Marin user. So they can be really great for cross-department reporting as well. The next thing that you'll probably want to do in a day is figure out how you can move the needle on the performance of some of your accounts, and that's where our insights come in. So our insights provide a bunch of specific recommendations for account optimization. And these are nightly checks that run on every account in Marin to make sure that we're capturing every opportunity to improve performance and cut down on costs. So there are over 200 of these insights, and they could be anything from recommending bid caps to letting you know that you can make some changes to your bid strategies, to letting you know what your top performing ads are, to letting you know that maybe your landing pages are 404ing. The list goes on. These are just really nice, quick ways to make sure that your account is in a good place. Now, as a marketer, you probably spend lots of time analyzing performance, of course. So hopping into our grids, our reporting suite makes it really easy to ask questions of your data with our powerful filtering options. So you can drill down into any metrics. Say you wanted to look at campaigns where pub cost had changed past a certain threshold day over day. You could drill down in here and filter on other metrics as well, change your date range and your comparison range. And once all of your filtering was done, go ahead and hit export and pull a report for that time frame. You can pull either a CSV on a one-time basis or set up a CSV to run on a recurring basis. So say every day you want to see a report on campaigns where publisher cost has changed over a specific percentage threshold, you could have that recurring report emailed to you daily. You can also export your reports as web queries. This is a really helpful way to just get Marin data to populate in a CSV or a Google Sheet automatically when the report runs. So now let's go ahead and filter in the publisher section for LinkedIn, and we can talk a little bit more about LinkedIn specifically. So you can, a couple other things that you can do in the grid are you can click into some campaigns and then do some data visualization. So I can hit my charting feature here and automatically see a chart. It's going to chart impressions and clicks, but you can change any metric, change it to any metrics that you want. You'll see a visualization with comparison optional of the data you've selected for the time frame you've selected. I also want to note that all of the data that you see here can be automatically exported to a different data visualization platform if you use one, maybe an in-house platform or something like Google Data Studio. You can automatically have that platform populated with the data in Marin using our BI tool. Lastly, let me just click into the ads grid to kind of represent the fact that you can do all of this unified reporting at any level. So here you're seeing a roll up of all your ads and all your different accounts. Let me go ahead and filter for LinkedIn. And here you can see reporting on all of your LinkedIn ads. So as mentioned, these grids function at any level for unified reporting. Now, hopping back into our campaign section, another challenge that marketers often face is making sure that you've got the right amount of investment and that once you set your budgets, your spend stays on track. So we have a budget pacing tool here in Marin that allows you to set a daily target for each campaign. So your spend goals will be set for the month or quarter or whatever time frame you choose. It's just going to be the amount of days in that time frame, or your target for the time frame divided by the amount of days is going to be your daily target. And then we'll automatically let you know if you're underspending or overspending. And if you are underspending or overspending past a certain threshold, we'll let you know what your suggested new daily budget should be for each campaign in order to hit your goals for the month or the quarter. I also want to talk a bit about campaign management. So we can manage a large number of campaigns in bulk here in Marin. Firstly, if you want to make changes to your campaigns, you can hit the upload button here and you can upload changes for all of your different publishers in one place, which I think is really handy. And then additionally, we have bulk editing up in our toolbar here in app, so you can play, pause, sync, or make some quick edits up here. The last thing I'll talk about in the grid is I want to touch on our full funnel bidding solution. So I know I mentioned this a bit in the webinar, but full funnel bidding is a great option for lead-based marketers. Basically looks at the conversion rate from a marketing qualified lead to a sales qualified lead for each campaign and applies modifiers to bids accordingly. So here you can see a sample in this MQL to SQL column. And in this example, for the campaign with the 30% MQL to SQL conversion rate, we would bid up and boost bids, whereas these with the 3% MQL to SQL conversion rate, not doing so hot, would get some bid dampening. So that's just a quick overview of a few of the different ways that MarinOne can make your LinkedIn advertising easier, more efficient, more high performing. There's tons I haven't even touched on that lives over here in our optimization suite for bidding. So much more to discover. If you want to check it out for yourself, we do offer a 30-day trial, which is linked here on this page, or you can feel free to contact us for a customized demo. And we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.